Hello, agus báidí hiig na Seansálaithe mas foiileh seans a láú glach iad na Seansálaithe, especially Hugh McGill Cara agus má bres as na bheith rás a rís le haid Sraith a ceair, bhín cead agan ó bhín sin seach bheith hart agus bhí se dainú mar deirtar san Albin, so gribíon maigad a bheith linn a rís den Sraith gáilta seo. Just le lads, bun sult and crack. Sure, what more could you want? Tá an seo mar is gré le muid cólaci le muid cairde ar dúspóire aine bhuiir. Aine, go démar tá.
Tá mai ionta tá Ton chas agin an chatan seo hí an green scalaúnar dagman obair as go me sná mór na tra so tá ja humor amsa.
Oh my god.
I know. Sea swimmer me.
Living the Insta girl dream, right? To go home on. Speaking of girls' dreams, come on, Shaw Foster.
That was good. We should go away.
My gear's fair. I had shocking. Come on, Shaw. Let James a flyer to James. Jimmer tattoo.
The funny show also the funny Beag. So yeah, it doesn't nightmare, James. Yeah. Obviously more than on your tons as a to go hauling, you know, the on Shakespeare on criú in Áine is le clubanna so the mission ban thing as it's as like he said a bark give his pen so nima exactly bulk like and is that the you know this over train out this color this move my end now letting the clue something east but yeah can't complain give us pens singing and he tan shona
Actor and Gurdéis seo goil like Tamisha mo húsegus during mar go se mai tá se andalí bheith go burnifig nar tá se cójas an mhaí as níl foiineo go bhí gardait tú siúní go chuig tá se just lofa le an den eile mhaí bhain sult as an green.
I'm sure bless shocking to literally like even as these shamra in gober as a balla because the Funyog all war ogamsa in like Aaron T shot them ha not complaining because Blian's fire heart. Oh no, yeah, Blian he Shamra gan Funyog UB ogam so Glocky Malasha.
To Brisbane you have Lino in a roast.
Yeah, I'm not allowed to say.
Well, it's not Tamisha Gober is kinal praise and Bogota. Like Tamisha is the kinal Laurlon Viach on. So meeting Funyog is not Tamisha. So literally thought like Tamisha kinal El Kaunal. So Kamish literally mo here reverse or sheer they brand them off the Funyog at all Machin. I need views asam not tad. So like Tamisha uber depressed Gober in Jagadas. Like be my Ufosach like be my just brand them off again like Niman actually tad you know Achin Egon Lone keys it Milan sure she's straws one in the garden now Toma ship Bugnach Lauren Carroll. So yeah, sin the one ach lehi on shacht ur elle Toma actually go over to horrific.
Well tá go mai figi James mar Victor I go burn to agus she gets because leis mai mon will to I ro banistíocht the gul de fighéine got tamtí cubicles níl foiineo go bhí gardú cé go me gobar sa farbathe as a garcma ar rair galanta ní eicman rair sin muna bhfuil te mí.
No, don efficí snúidir as celóir tá si go níomhre nu tú si na cubicles celóir. Te go te a sin sa saoir ní tú feicátada unless tú mai ceann the big dogs agus tá corner office
Johnny Big Balls.
You just brand new at a hotel, just like, oh yeah, go noon like a coast alone, you know.
Don't see you go
Brand new warrior, you can shoot one like coast. Be my geek be my still brand new like you said, the boys in come across around shit, been Arga, you know.
Yeah.
Just, even my brand shit fucking said that should go brand like an Arga, you know. No, criú from there and díon glas on dús fiche vi man fós gober údras agus kinál sa saoir wachtú kinál vi kinál kam se chi an restrictions beganí gargan zere agus vi mar an effik agus ní ce it's in the cubicles you know obviously was the COVID is for it as new an vaccine on that so we get you're in the effik event. So Homer is out on because fucking Jimmy Big Bollocks anyways. She slow beeline She's ag efig cuiir ma efig póir go chuoin tá sé ar a gáine hí sa lu agus is like le an siomra is foiobítá agus sí má ní mis an op big me just sí
Gil James gur an príomhhain am nach bhíán.
CEO tá útras James caiú na lerá.
sé sí siir má chosú an deascam í tan an loan á delivered ag an efig. So bhí má fá loan delivered seacham má chosú is brenn amach ar a cós ag brenn people watching kid go seach arena belta. Sin is machine maar like wave ala ku jun maar like oh my god níos clú go cem héna come on.
Sin gur an dín glasá go maidirte.
Yeah.
I was at home like absolutely.
We girl bosses, hold free girl bosses. James bosses I think is in Kinu or Kukamajianu.
An Áine tá gine leganis.
Yeah, sin like a chorch was that 3 lousy 3 agus form now flat to the match in the old like you can maar absolutely tade in een law ach ik zei wat maar mental wat 80 dat ze laptop en ik ga skippen met tripod.
James ní siad gan tú osú riú ríis agus túna Iran a rudí seo.
James Bond. Tá qualities aige
I think good being qualities má go man am op lugin na tí go há.
As tá tú ínta onric I gin seo leoine.
I mean there up the dhéanana chu gas sin saoí that nearna tú 6 obair sin ar fáil omlan. Who knows how much
fuck that though. Ní go bh chuir má fáil aige war le stress sin chu arméin de war fá ná.
Oh my god. Did that answer though like the funny geog especially to the go swallow because stolen mission ledger and like grow mission more and nudie neighbor that's good dog or hold to real for nudie neighbors like cool like thinking chart or hold real for like
wait what do to an argument for what does like ahrú like the JD score the good courseny.
No, so another Harley.
Yeah, was this a because the lads and their friends, the naked neighbor.
Yeah, no, he was good. Her skins at Sakade tribe. He ban knocked the body trasing over O'Tony.
Oh yeah.
And Shin Tosa.
No, so another Harley was right. Okay, so the mission. So tag was Thig more cost that because we're not savages. Agus the Loch ma key agus vi shocking like vi like is cha vi like tommel agus coroner inta che agus to do bun salt as chat mas it get kind of that air drying get bagianu so like lean cheeser and toilet and it's all good or whatever so fishing grand leave my sheets agus vi my phone vi check on YouTube examination I was like right I'm just gonna rash again over whatever agus shas mas us agus vi like lad ella ag shasu an jean like trasna like mahach or whatever. Vi just lad like an lad like Sean lad shaw ganti linear be whatever vi agus Nerajiri Misha obviously Misha Cludia agus May Geary Suas whatever Beag session so it's like the show was over just Jimmy shot so now something convey the walking lad honest to ugly arms
or hashbun doing the goods though
yeah exactly ro Hugh bugger show like kind of
Ní heartis bugad le ní inan se gar bhíte.
Yeah, I'm going to Belgrade agus sin nar eicas duine after pleasantly surprised at cecha average na se.
So do cean James
average is not even kick more is
Cean James na Séamus óg agus do cean na Hiudaí bug.
Yeah. Careful Anya she dying to the
Fairm sweet you again.
Fair.
Ní roim well was go beidir gro seo ine ach your dinner be real an cean ar man.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Fake friends at Hogan Anya. We use let you linea.
Catíir si would an phodchraoladh leis an cóir.
Look, must say Sean Cadder to the gear on the Seachtainí. This is the quality of conversation.
Le a bheith súil an cinál ábhar seo an seachtain.
Well, Hugh, speaking of a lad bhí hús a díon, béad go Russia just go seach na haach. Tálann se scatí go mí tú lecha mó as na haach. Okay.
Spider-Man in a coní guarded Hugh beidir.
No, the Spider-Man the honey and Galif because there's genta ag James. Cavator was genta ogded.
Níos like an nuair a hála se an bhí actually creebish like bhí actually like Haimá bháile ó corca is cluthe immertí san agus chroma an seachtainí agus má like lovely má go siúil seachtainí is má go literally leir a gaiid má bhí me scrista agus chuir an doras go dúnsa dus má okay backdoor dúnsa ní aonidir sála má céad sa fóc atá tála need even a log bra not how like some color Danish body. I know go tremendous are done like some lives but still think of me
or James Bond.
It's mission main character, okay? Then so you man go stuff like as you should tossy, mooried. Like you like, oh no. I saw next how much here's a Mac, like honig ma be half funny is quick lads who's obviously who's styled it. I used like slanted roof and here's the Mac. So there's my fuck's sake, Mr. I actually got those chin. So British they would think Commission on shittest teeth talks in a seal. Vima hos slow, ma vima hos biscuit. Zimmer ma 8 numa go with it. I guess car journey suicide. Vima shoot ma costa go robot care of a British Sasha.
Robo James.
The on recycling bin on is a hundred Mac. Shafts shin. Chin goes to the windowsill. Then goes to the fence every hotali shop. Agus like literally huig millimeter I'd say. As you're in balance on that shin. As you're goes to the Dion and then hochma my hands was. As you ma who said as you ma like nisha shop about like. We might stuck. We might actually stuck like as you why ma Dion if I huig numa the just wander on like hang out on you. I say like dat een of ons krijgen nach goeie internet. Maar wie internet hier staan zich is Mac. Krijgen nach goeie internet de fire brigade. Well, honestly, I say capture ground that shot just stuck. Who's our see that? Who's our roof? I guess just do my just trade him my hand iron tools. Like instead of high my main tools anyways. My just when you off I went.
James. Tá sin có dáir go le winine le brisú.
Má cho tuirseach dosí mórí
nach tu le dul hiag teach cara den igen.
Na. Ní sin le grammar.
Bheith sin níos dolí.
Just rás sheepy like.
Ní bheith an scéal agad le hinint.
No.
And then we got funny man, sin format deliveroo. How you lad deliveroo get doors if you're just going off when you go to front. Yeah, just cost please.
Hugh sa mace.
Saoí dó daró tusa ag drapu Swiss de haach agus like gas was an jean agus nar hánig tú Swiss an buir hí burglar type of state like in genuine not caring like sin flag on the app when you're getting hospital and you're just like
two can play this game.
Well lá sin da was sin actually thoroughly daring leis tóid ébe kids of fuck that tú dhearra but gomach as teach sciúpaí má tá mai gear go hol.
Agus and féidir just and Darius an tasí oscúir an bhá hall fásta just because ní féidir
I chéidir eile just to pickpocket at a doras so mé man actually siúla seach agus an ceap and that's fucking climb us come on like.
Oh my god. Look Tarley and Shay na muchers fair dún agus hard sé James Foster so an what's a real British style Anya?
No.
What?
I mean is minic or glasalu a math me but just dan meer than ag an chat le hooker. No me ag chat ma cara. Níor grappy me forgan of yes store as mohíle chu an wheel. Hoca le James a bheith briste I labby in hospital fu láir. Tá tala James.
The James Briste hammer fád anyway.
Áine sin like on forgan is slú I dap ma I think.
Hoca le leor a screw with the chuid.
Honestly, it like how make it look from my lack of as my hotel room. Agus vi go amach can like cloud my a cholle Doris Moro agus get said for my hood apartment cheese as hook shachma as like look just so weird like apartment on the Bravian so look just so weird but please link stachma as should okay it's like really and then yeah it's like okay but to my just go amach a balcony agus nish go my carriage okay so she's like okay and then just ask my climb out was key on the balconies like goes out brutal no could see what
Saolaí.
Creún. Tá tú cos le den ag amachchas scan an Marvel.
Tá James
Spider
James.
Ní bheith stunt double ar bí dír James Daniela scanan. No let na stunt liga anu tú hain Daniela scanan.
Oh yeah, like TG
Tá tú cos le Chris. Tá tú cos le Chris Hemsworth.
No, Tom Cruise na gael.
Yeah, Top Gun na gael.
I'd say honestly go slightly athletic Jack Black than him.
Ní bheith sé dulí.
Oh my god.
Like TG what does you get like home like
But tá sé learn stunt doubles fucking your Russell Laroon. Tá James are fine.
Like to them sure the bit much of the game of course is K2 the Kilimanjaro maybe. Come on, I don't care like just come out a freaking telly did you get.
James says le ein rud Yanu. Yeah, if you miss if your arms British chat and actually river fast like glass master chat and then like he got freeze and then you're go whatever like that. But I think James gur will shot mapma and shouldn't But solely like the dingy elevis these and ostantion these no beats like Hugh or Five. But can at your row shot? Can at your Harley shot?
Magaluf.
Of course.
So solely the lads, I mean obviously solely lads in chat to take Alma or Fáilte lane this year or whatever, or the lad is glocking to ban the Wallace and he's all set, it's a Sraith, Octag, this is his first time, whatever. And then just fecking a lad more as Galliv, team with the balcony's like drapu har and then retrust it, drapu har reach.
Sauli like group of Kalini as he ladig shomer sakura and jiglum chat to shah the homer back the Kalini like Ralish or Roy lat needs to chat to shah show.
It's in the whole second like raw vander like raw look like
he wrote Sokushin and wrote to Danchera.
Arker he's harmless.
Flat the Connemara.
Yeah, oh my god. Can I throw to in Magaluf? Sorry, if you missed Magaluf line more leaving cert holiday fast day.
Cui mis higan dangin for when you mucky an art. The ar doigum.
Magaluf rocks? Mallorca rocks? Okay. Yeah, hotel shin. I think they're doing so hun.
Yeah.
Dodgy darshan.
Yeah, because lads like drapu har balconies with the machine yeah the mission stop in that because time you're in that BH apartments because we did Chiranacula, BCM and nightclub attendance.
What is the Australia BCM? Yeah.
Also then we're doing can't believe what this is. Yeah, this is JJ.
Oh, Vida Agus Kaze.
The James Shinnon on with you, sure.
Bring a chat. What not by Marn. But why the Shanakla BCM agus nista BCM trickship more Yalgrush basically more like drug laundering facility like Shin Road of your show. But the Ian Charton agus the Steve Aoki ag Shanyamon agus the our balcony visha a Gurk shees or an like and town like is like the actor fought a shot. So Honey Virginia Steve Aoki ag a shot like the club or whatever. Agus now come fit Kane Flair Akashi came the lads like genuinely like Republican Chancellor high Steve Aoki like Hashi the call like Steve Aoki's Fenian army agus like a clap agus Dirk I suppose we should like yeah I don't think Rose like Jay we should the rare Harvey but the Magaluf Prackle but we missed sober time or fought so
can I act going to be BCM
I think we're just chat or when agus I don't think we're like act all word like be like Tinchy Strider agus vi like Kayla Ellie Goulding
Afrojack
stop
agus the rud is sure in here right when you Snoop Dogg in BCM
what
yeah ach ní or rap on that this was his DJ phase was that the reggae phase again?
yes Snoop Lion
DJ Snoopadelic yeah it's funny about BCM that class.
Oh my god. Ní creidum ganahi to really Hugh because near cool my real fit than a dul gan a veigal. Like a will say Tanya back to gonna go gan a very meshka.
So Mata to cost lumsa August this is just suas on crack ag am the then yes because then like Holly Majorican lie August like from much like chicken and chip line breakfast like this way much again trag is Hanig with a rash ní walking it that having it because like
ní does a soul na graine a curve waki
no No what? Hánig mé ag teach suas. Nach mé riú a leir an le. Hánig mé there bhí se ag teach suas like, all right, actually probably be cracking goháile.
If sin bhí me in beat an blian héis agus rud cinna cos lása Hugh go chonig tú cinna Steve Aoki tíhir gan stáise. Literally bhí misiste úsáide an cinna ollmhór hín DJs an dé. Níos up fóca an mar seo, but was má wandra agus next thing you know, bhí me just tíhir gan stage agus bhí me ag an entrance and also bhí na act staach agus own stage. So next you know, honnig lad Beag on stage, just honnig that, sinna friggin' DJ Z.
Oh, yeah.
Agus dus my Z. Go the fuck job.
In Gaelic.
In fairness, honnig shall know. Tá picture of leis, chair munscrap I beat it. I fucking class. And then I vici staff agus my shouter laugh, which I shouldn't go as touch it. So ní hig sin gwege. Hig Z though. No, vici on real though. Sean Danu my vici class.
Well, cofne agus in Magaluf, James. I'm about to expose myself. Well, cofne agus in Magaluf gur triú na clubanna ihe ag cearachlog achhain bhí clubanna eile a bhí oscailtí dín séachlog gur mágin. Agus bhil cofne good céin sais clubanna bhí sinna a dásuas go dín sé.
Oh, the strip clubs?
Yes. So, bhí í an seach agus bhín seachtainí mai, which big bonsaltas and craic, whatever. Agus bhí the lads Gary gáil na bhála, so bhí much like, well, fuck, níl ach bhain gur féidir linn go gáil.
Yeah.
So chuaim much ag strip club. Agus so missis the strip club, agus missis like Ochjag, Meejag, Foster, not as
Hiudaí Beag.
as Hiudaí Beag, basically not as worldwide as a Pemanish, agus Euro cash view of me I was skint and Palmer Fad agus the why can the lads of Hugh like that and we're like, oh my god, agus hannig a band bug shaw as an album to a sogumse agus we do you want to dance agus sorry no you'll argue the agus first you really far them out of nowhere agus we should why you being such a fucking prick and all this kind of agus rishi Hugh I was like, oh my god. But then why can the lads are straight? Agus you much ablte am sure Harvey. So dag which a strip club agus you cuirtu an let agus solar dag which a club when we shas leor's so leor's the lads of the club or whatever. Agus be the lads should be torch the mons and soap the because in the hand dryers with the machine a perfume or whatever. Be just in lad book shaw a phone YouTuber agus just a gay shirt tunes and he was just vibing away. It's these it's a leor's and we're like, all right, whatever. Dag machine agus sin hanning with your rash agus why can the last layers he's like, oh damn with your man so these layers we're like, what really much is cha agus the Dara and lad of your stray agus and lad of the a torch mark an aftershave exam ag dausu hard thin Lizzie it's these v Dara hish my man orange or whatever we're like, yeah, agus plug us on the headphones but you can bop mini discos these layers ag lehanne chuig carriagin share margin.
Mat de ge riú confidence boost off. Go seach a leir sin the lads sin.
Yeah.
Bet tú teach cos le fair nu.
Yeah, been so just.
Ach cuiir noch mar seach trip probably you one hall on Hugh, yeah.
I'm taking a strip club and the brown art that this is.
Hey, train colony strip clubs come on. Bhí mu an amstal hiic ceannach ní rom cameránú mar riú again, so tá mai buint solta na scéaltí seo, so lean
Bhí me sé 8 ag an nó chumas nó ná, right? Agus in fairness ag an bhí me innocent bhí me harte chuig álaach níos gide agus 3 chloch níos trimme.
Oh no.
Bhí me mar cinál fucking fata bug ceart chu agus bhí
rolling you about on this.
ní hééis go le glór mrán a dad is cinál fucking loser cinál míanam to be honest. So
James.
Urkernish.
Still a loser, but marginally sure. Chuma seacham agus chuma strip club agus cuiine from the lads look on hard, we still fucking love noise for it. agus Hugh mar stachan agus just next like for some reason ní comprehend am se nach moch mór an éidech an amrá. So
Hugh go make Poland exercise.
No, ach like ní sam go like nach moch tade who's a cho. So Hugh mar stachan agus you like oh shit. So next just ran she's at tall. Agus ní sam go go nik just ban you tall. Like Thomas sorry. Ní ma ge brand hard like ní ma brand word. No Thomas ní sam to get brand I need like dam so ní ma brand sorry. So you just go out like ní sam with a bartender chin ach
ik kan you argue in that's just like
just man not so please. Okay, yeah, thanks. Yeah, please straw freshman met brand fees at talent and even all. Yeah, thanks.
And now will she sort of face at those strip club gun arrogant sort of
oh, yeah. Like, call man you're my brand work. Like, so
medal.
There was no free service.
You should like raw to get dams. You might like, oh no, to myself. No, it took dams to kids.
But anything in chat alone is more self-test.
Well, no. More than happy can all, but yeah, economic you're more money now as I mean that so Jesus experience beyond any combination.
Tasha, I shouldn't have died Visha Halland though it was like a completely lawless like hugs Virginia the birch called Jesus is ill touch like heart and chin just like whoa.
Ní si bhd Eva ra white dude the dul hiig strip clubs.
What? She saw.
I mean,
yeah. I mean, we shouldn't when you must be inking.
Yeah, you shouldn't say no review stick on vision.
Right, she will get Na Seansálaithe dollar sear go Magaluf as I'm with the strip clubs.
No, need to get leash me. I think you know your tail. I don't know what you're my brand.
Well, are late to argue with the Tom shot, I would hope.
Win?
Yeah, fair actually.
Well, my roller, but do you tap? Another tap velocities.
Well, revolution.
And QR codes just in chin, just like.
Imagine the strip clubs in Aiding on chuig lovings and go as a heat wave shot. Seasonal card or should this go?
It was shocky. Well, te ken in Moleclia, the Vanium Angels, agus yeah, te ken Sraith listen. And Fleadh Cheoil was because never Virginia, I go Berlin, New Acton and UCD. Fleadh like and Banishore like Reversiga like our Oscars and Tamerfod. So then we would like take the editorial email, agus shawling like Refos, Thig and being like, hi, we're looking for a corporate booking for a birthday party. You know, like a page link, feed the new lockers, whatever, and then who like scarred her in strip club to be like, yeah, I'm taking them Cal her and hard shin. Attached heart in there is the seedy underbelly of Boleklia, you know, go formally into. I really hope not clutching my weher and Eagrán shot.
Yeah.
It's cool to be honest.
Tag leor ruddy ratcha good at the súil na cúlar this morning Gadisha.
You know what? Fair.
Speaking of strip clubs, I don't think we're on the Mullen Gar.
Oh,
and
why? I mean, I'm.
Well, I don't know. Basically, with
yeah.
So it's not really. Nico, Fleadh Mullen Gar. So
Fleadh Mullen Gar, not stripper Fleadh. Fleadh Cheoil.
No, my earn the melody. The flea.
The Fleadh.
The flea.
Vi tussen on James. Vi de keder na vision.
Ja, ik heb keder even. Ja, we waren ik gewoon te sorry. So yeah. Kom so sorry. It's actually really exhausting. You know my idea on the Woolen Gar. But yeah, we should read that and you're so good, you know, like speaking of Magaluf, good, you know, Magaluf na heading to Woolen Gar. Just the shrouds on. It's just a publicly hulot.
What?
The pub like literally hulahie of controls while the Woolen Gar.
Sim go beag an siad bailte mar sin fanin Fleadh and ro.
Yeah, but like, it's not Hugh just not I think it chambers yet. Hugh was like, okay, there's not getting Astros. You know, now like entrance more beyond that piece of book. And then next, you know, this goes and the beer garden more mental. See, but I cared to so I thought, like more on the flat, K made dinner as on the RV. I mean, it's a goal, like. Like you focus on more.
Yeah. What was the reason murdered Cardi B?
Yeah. It was that, you know, we shot craic out it amazing he was on. So he actually get craic out. Look for my creator.
I know where firm on the snaps and margin the yeah. So that's
yeah. Look, we at least we clear my margin. Well, my margin, me only. I guess come as who's straight. I guess we my who's on. I guess just we cannot be sure. I guess just you don't want to talk at my sauce. I guess nu my host just goeie merm agus vi ma ken ku se to be honest vi ma ege starting tragins agus just die ra go dang down vi son KGB war clue an jo an ro dat ke views
an waki tú Niall Horan agus Lewis Capaldi
ni a problem hier so ja
I mean chance go walkie but just fit raw
Beiidir go pics with the phone or heckal tú
na twenty CJ's head
Bitte kenning docho. Ní ra duna behús an nachan docho bin.
An waki sibh an bhísean de Niall agus Lewis chat as pobigin agus léim si shahagars and sin cast loose and cameras are delighted to be at the Fleadh Cheoil. Like Kay a howlock Mac Lewis Capaldi ru ag Fleadh Cheoil na Heron.
Yeah. Ta class though. She's actually unreal go person go.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I'd say just gurt Niall ash look to digging and tarlu sawalya. Sure, feckin would Jane crack.
Oh yeah.
He glad an impression I'll on Mertuction just I mean she just down when you am why me am roada.
I mean a walk to and fish thief Shanimer and Sraith
Alta vi should maar ní chana ha riú de chud or an hain camera agus tú an trad mon me ha reske agus vi should canú or an a chéile hi me go sin needs jazz.
Oh, like it took you try some of birds though, like small pinty
as a slew carded I'd take him actually to eat that $1 in seshlo.
Oh fact. Fact.
No, we should go homeland like they were absolutely on the sauce like done Tamar Fod. I guess Morris Carty if we should there good way into Syria.
The Niall the above I think Egan Vla it kind of free falling John Mayer and I was like Niall show Fleadh Cheoil hair and show your trad. Ní loy my digging shit and con the like need to really dance for it's good I'm going to don't like Fleadh Cheoil me so as your mom like no like ní éisian tú le ceola béla a ceol trad an chat an seo tá sé go homeland bunny hair sin agus sin 9 hours tí sa ganú John Mayer.
So Harley sin dús it's actually most like well yeah scale agam free shop be like never mind like really og me like chuig na sé be a bell bin what could be concerned bell bin be like it was like comórtas filiacht na agus Áine to be Beagar rod in albion but anyway it was like a comórtas like Áine agus filiacht whatever be or show Arthur Encounter agus bhí me like cear nach chuig sílam agus Arthur Cast you know blocking the ollmhór like parts and whatever agus just like oh well thing be a Gary you know but the end sin agus well Áine a thing be agus was like oh ken agam sit agus be like well like what the fuck okay right agus be in winter like oh yeah got to us whatever agus come was her statue agus we just like Stacey can I come over after
Ar hiic tú an míú
No. Well, there should ro an ogam agus bhí an ogam agus bhí sin ná an is fearlam so
during ná muintir na bhil ó has le.
No, but then okay so then never many sinne then bhí muid ag inarachtas agus bhí guitar an try to gáil hart agus bhí seo ag like a cear logarmágin na chuig logarmágin agus bhí so bhí creaking it like so from Jinga just san Austin whatever agus holding guitar do so just like fucking right Oasis gosh for whatever but we made your father like agus had a shan lad so agus her shan leor and guitar agus was like what is some catch you will to agus yeah tomorrow ihe ma a kilarnia come on shan could be ruddy agus like just because ni hickling just to pretend on that go shan shade
Gan Eagle.
Yeah. But we saw like, but we
get to book cheeky Hugh. Get to book cheeky. You can't do this the sarna.
Cheekum, you know, just get the book cheek.
Get to book.
Been overreactions on though. Like.
Yeah, I get quick longer margin. I guess like much or all like you know just shasu heart like he's one salt as a crack. agus sin ceol áí as scéalaigh fásta in tamar fád and then in tam bhhain go ring majar an na spurla hanna glas was an lew ar a lead fan go dtí gohfuil an á an heart and okay by the way not like risu us is like no like na sin
ní rud a bhí níos measana like tá a gunna táchtá leis an Gaelic but nar thugann duna maitit mar go tú béir le fanne couple second like is gom sa bhanscoil ag am lón láhain chumid súsabáile agus bhí enda cenín sin bhí na presidential election ar siúil so bhí cintain a bhar a bhí dul háart chuine fanna ggéil ní cumna me an am but bhí dul háart canvasáil cabbíistí i don stores as bhí me le mar bhirt cara agus bhí mar coppla de méile agus dúirt sa fearréigen ar macúil stop cí leor béirle sinna céad tí seach riú ghfuil lífas an Gaelic so níor haid sin lo a churbe so dur me iwwer héin dat mí ceart as iwwer dó sinna fear hí istíhinn sin tá geíirt fall réile Gaelic mar chrí áhar den artist.
Yeah.
Agus bhí sé geíirt é dhéanú ag an am, so I was like, do you know what? Ní me se go seaan seo agus léchta eil ó air a tas na chuigdí faoi couple of Gaelic Lord like am wadís gailín an bhar staí.
Agus an fear sin Michael Dúhagan.
Well, go sin nach chuir amach net as mé. Cas moet oor an béle e koelhol ma. Maar éon dinne kind, want ding is so samse. Sa ma stoppen se dat Nora. Gé door an mis go gasse, na oor an runnach. Agus mis go leis. Immer maach, ní chead an North an Joyal. Actually poopal at a party show. So kom ach.
By mas chamra.
Kom ach. Need to go tag if awas as more rendition go oor an the runnach. So
agus rendition gauntla tá.
Yeah.
Tá mis sú leis an rendition seo leistal ag ahan Hosí me
le blianta bhí se gúní sa pobre garú is nó cluúam ci fogla. Ní clám sé le kid bhí go ráis ná an chobe. So lá is té fogla ví an brogí salíar de denúgu. This what she said this man like, you know what, I'm just gonna lyrics actually so it's actually from the viewpoint gon runnachatan tá runnach se fáte agus gláid agus a fá watch like so you know so it's in the fucking fall time so I'm gonna chasing there
tá bheitsú lei sin
le blianttí fád in Euro songs a girl fachla ag an drawling like just have me girl just lad and chart just call but vi sem mar an flag a ro na gur an ethain gur holma na vi the like holla you know cost of region on the far shit like so whatever agus the speakers and shino vi like the shachtwaji so vi just like so you have the ein rud a postal ar Harby like fuck music just holma and rud wein vi holma na dújin dodgy ag sin rud wein ní ro sig ní ro clugum agus ayo ach ní ro clugum ní ro clugum
yeah I take a cheap nu ma moon na brenne ag go saura agus gur an Jody net agus gin like wach na déine hús staatje agus wach die chonnen den an damse I take a cheap na dalty freshen nach Ryan Folkler Jody then just vanishte die TV stop was you must just a rap on a Jody Folkler fa dam like
DJ Z
Kendrick the Gale oh yeah well this is really flat oh go on
oh no oh yeah vi mis flat go minic at mé fas níos chuimiis gonne you know an chatan le genú na rangní ceol hí se cos le bhar scóil so éon féle ceol eile hén treige bín sort rangan a beidir trí nó ceir chléige go dahan lá hí seo ó ní go trí a an lá chuig glas a chatan bhíart fetí rahafganní de amlón ó hen godó like ní hí sé daríire as bhí na mún trí like Jean goúir as bhecart like de oberwalianú de ceolala lachtú chunne uair na go ahaníthe sa caravan as se géad wa eile tún bheith ré got ínta daríir bhí mar sin flá sa tolachúir cúplaúir as an sin bhí siúla inis ar fe bhíon tá inarm na nahí tú sí an James ní sé roiá a hiúlirt
ní fairne ní ach ní sam Sna chéidir ri má le so
an rahí tú ríis?
Oh yeah, it's in my couple on here do.
Be ceartún dul a campan bhain se thugan heige. don chat.
Yeah.
Campáil.
Yeah.
Cinásá sé hir nada?
Well, during náhfuil sé ráte go go fáil.
Ó níl.
Ní seachtaí ar ceart.
The James go to Airbnb.
I know, bheith is a go beidir sa céad couple eile luúann siad lu a glóra.
Yeah, go má bhín sé hí dúlanú nanisring. Táart
Ní is go mé sé a dúlan is a dún gitbe beag den méid sin daoine.
Yeah.
I caint ar Fleadh Cheoil
Oh yeah.
tá nuacht. Sílam go dinglann seo ránis.
Sílam go bhfuil
well sé tease on in the shed so
Muidir na teasers cearta.
Is sé an nuach ná nachfuil nuacht a going.
Tá John Sasta fi seo tá skeisiní an dóid.
Yes, I think we'll cabin a fógra because for much agus for much like Jevnithe agus for much like Tasha because we Tom and I was like I don't know actually what's happened to Tarlu Tasha like Tarlu so
funny more dá
sé Tarlúnis.
No, we're manifesting it.
Brew actually ní rud bí ratic dinner bílinn mu just a rag seo Tarlu sin.
It's unofficial.
Your dinner bí a bheith ag an féle beag bíideach sin electric picnic am lína. Bheith Na Seansálaithe a déanana phodchraoladh beo dihíine ag a tríochlog sa phobal Gaeilge.
Tá buzzing.
Tá dinner bí I know ní prime slot so during bé dinner bí fiú ána go tríochlog dihíine ní bheith sta landal ach má tá dinner bí an le the whole gotíiste agus éiscilinn agus beidir groimmuid coppla ceistir nach féithna feici muid cin suirt clán a chuirn muid le chéile.
Bé seo craic like could be rud the Tarlian or could be plan a curtha array. I mean shots go very much plan le chéile agus choúsa tá during statues caiime é Mohammed and would be like were you styling another bad?
Was good to scan on nervine sort like speech scríf amachí den sin go drama túil caiann si hiúil na lení be mu a dúr cos lei sin.
Fishin Virginia except in Virginia.
Look, more will should on a tríochlog in the version. Ach tinna gí íirecht an tríochlog. Now bé piece of craic English with more will bé mas on well bé mis on le gitti gon der shaft na capoing. So ach bé ongus you on in der shaft ar fad.
All night long.
So saying be a lordsling.
Yes.
Cur took smuintí be goí mat be tá de Fleadh a phodchraoladh mat ge tíochttar a phodchraoladh béis an rutís mar hin. Má bé ag electric picnic agus bé ag ócatíí smachtar mis ná ag ceall dí mar hin so.
Bé James an an uirse.
Yes.
Bé má ar an íana go tríochlog, yeah.
Equivalent an saoin scate or mí ar for scate as leor muid faoi dul hic an arachtas a ríis as an sin siúm seaachtain ra bhré just dúirt muid like actually níl muid hair. Sílam gur James a céad den as sin dúirt muna look ní fiú in is ní fágí mu no gealan muid go mé muid an tá seo a tarlú tá seo definitely a tarlú.
Yeah. But agus bé se dáráte like agus well I mean cabs the hang mé se dáráte agus tá lein like rudí eile gaile ar siúil an an deir seach go fásta be áréigen nig genú set dá phodchraoladh tá tunes as fé na galí tá déile chur tunes ar siúil de hanne bé a lein rudí dáráte mai in
bé Hugh a genú stand-up trí Gaeilge mar chuid de Gael gaiirí.
Yes,
agus is rud mór seo dúine mar is é seo an céad phodchraoladh bio dúine dhéana riú phodchraoladh ana as cóir le féithna so bí ééis go orn agus
Bé Megan Thee Stallion pop na Gaeilge
Arctic Monkeys the pub na Gaeilge.
So bé Megan Thee Stallion actually mar ícaint robin ar an phodchraoladh.
Yes. Well, caiimiid é ahrú because the differ than in poster agus idir an hiling a rag or Megan Thee Stallion so ma ag tú Megan an chapel sinní hé go bheith
agus is actually Megan Thee Stallion tá nach she can't le an stallion Martin Tampioni.
Oh yes. an Italian stallion a hain.
So ní hiic bheith chailún I mean tá an spoilers fear hurtí be han i pááil se sa bhfuil Gaeilge inis.
Agus tá sí sin agus má ná cheanní ar go dó aíine, so go gisteach go dó gus fágin
fáí hátain sin
ní bheith mar an siochan ar fáil.
No.
Be si le tóí luúe.
I córa ollmhór
Tá demand ollmhór.
No, bit anjasta se bheitá. Agus just like móhíonn se sais asise cos like obviously tá mu ní genú seo th zoom ar fá agus Harbh blian mu genú seá sin ceanna a crack smuitiú go mémuid I barsa just le go mémuid le cheile ar dúspáir go méid just í seaamar le cheile agus just le sibse eáil agus cobbí daine walking tú Hig an seo a eáil fásta like go like tangible evidence dá daoine again, you know, Bishop really so good more lash. Technically,
Bishop petition like Hugh for the first dates.
So, Dirk Bishop Suas, right? Suller, Hoshimid and Pod, Gridge, and the closing applications and seachtainí by her.
No.
And criú. So just, I mean, which literally you can't be Aaron leg or original applications.
As céidir céidir eile go chu stathir an blion eile tugaist?
Yeah, so come. Chance go image chu stathir more background daters, but you know, it's scary more background dater, you know, it's scary fun posse.
Okay, listen, sure, going to stathir background daters is just rather gur truppel much.
It's about truppel eile like all modeling. Oh my god. Saoly. Sure, look, basically it's truppel mud. You can shot. Kind of made nam like hella, agus lore mud hella nation. You know, it's real love. It's real love. Well, Aaron bombshell shin. As we talk about our real love like hella, shin aid on Eagrán and the Chancellor. Gur míle maigad of the gay Charlene. Agus gur maigad because like Levy Onika, right? Where y'all are in takiart. Oh, the Ashari agus in takiart. ó na dinge bhí geisiúlann ar na íana bhí jogging ar na ahan dinge a bháilma dinge ag bhir cardide sinna fág muidealta an Eagrán beá a dhéanú so gur mí maigad asocht an takeíocht sin now that sappy thing is over gur maigad geisiúil an Eagrán seo but the game muide amsú ar na man hosta tá muid ar na Seansalaithe ar Instagram na Seansalaithe ar Twitter agus na Seansalaithe ar YouTube agus go eáil ar goid éanaí gáanta in sin but the Gary Áine amsú ar na man hosta tá sin mar Áine Weir ar Instagram Áine Weir ar Twitter agus Áine Weir ar TikTok but the Gary James amsú ar na man hosta tá sin mar Fleadh ar Instagram Fleadh ar Twitter agus Fleadh ar Kinkin not dirt Instagram TikTok agus but the game hena amsú mar Hugh here Twitter Hugh here Instagram agus Hugh ar TikTok well ein rodella gaiimiid a flogáil sular chéimiid hapanne Jerry seachtainí dá mai.
Just be much le clostal a radio rira ag a hochtclog agus ríis Jilún ag a hocht so.
Damn right.
No de go bhééis leis be ag ní Argentina.
Agus ag bea ar na pod ag ar nílog Argentina or bea as cór ditse ag trílog ar naine .ep. Tá sin rannis. Gur mí mai go ríis is géisisin agus go leor libh an seachtainí jogging le Eagrán eile dá na Seansalaithe. Slán!
Slán!